Bhujapidasana and Titbassana. They are advanced positions which requires a lot of preparation. Stand wider than hip width apart, slowly bend forward, try to bend forward as much as possible and bring the upper arm to the back while you bringing your fingers to your heel. Slowly lift up, press again the femur to the upper arms and slowly cross the legs in front. If you want to do variation that you can stretch one leg and the other leg or both legs, then it's becoming Titbassana. What's important that you're trying to lift your hip as up as possible. Now let's see the modification, how you can make easier the posture. Fall forward from Malasana. Slowly place your hands on the brick and see that you're trying to squeeze yourself. There is hardly a space between the rib cage and the femur. And now it's very important to evenly distribute the weight between the front and the back part of the body. It's becoming easier with the brick. And after, slowly, you can again stretch one leg and the other of both legs, and then it becomes Titbassana. Be careful not to fall to the front or to the back. It requires a lot of preparation and effort and practice, but it's a great experience when you are able to do these asanas correctly. It gives good strength to the body and to the mind. Now let's do Titbassana. Titbassana, you go almost the same way inside like in Bhujapidasana, and you can do it on more ways. You can keep the arm bended or stretch. You can raise your heels, or you can keep the heels and the hip even.